Hello friends, welcome to another video session. Today I'm going to share with you one more productivity tool that especially we can use in the testing process. As we know, as a testers, we have to use a different test environment for the testing purpose. Uh, Most of the environments are look like similar, especially with the web application. If you look this URL, those are very identical, and sometimes they are combination with the some subdomains in the URL itself. So as a testers we are using at least in my experience, at least we are using 3 to 4 environment to test something. For example, we use a test environment and development environment sometime, and also the acceptance environment, and finally production environment if needed. So in this case, for testers it's really difficult to remember all those environment, but I'm showing you you can do it in a different way. Remembering those, you can put in some notepad and open and use them, or in another way you can just bookmark and use. But today I'm going to show you one tool that help you to uh, remember this added environment in visual way. So let's go for to get this one. You need to go to the Google, and it is a Google Chrome extension. So to get that one, we go to the Google Chrome web store, and we go and search for the extension called Test Assured, and search for it, and here it is. So added. So what I do, I just remove for understanding how to do this one. Okay, now we found this add-on, or you can say it also as a plugin to your browser. And if you look it here, they written the uh, instruction how we can use. So I can show you practically how you can use this one. So you just first you click on the add to Chrome, and it asks for your permissions. Click on add extension and it's done. So you might see it is appeared over here. So what I do now to check how it's work, so I go to the Google. I try to show you with some example. For example, we know, okay, this website, this is news website. But what I do normally, for consideration now at the moment, we think like this is a one of our environment. It is a, you say it's a test environment, and now you can say this whole environment is the acceptance environment. Just imagine it's not to be that. So if you look carefully, those all end with the uh, this URL, the same here. So it's a main and it is sub. If you try to recall your work environment, those URL, web-based URL, almost same. They may be called as a test or acceptance or something with other names according to how they configured. So those are identical. So what normally we can do as a bookmark and do this one. This is a one way to remember them. I'm putting some nice name to remember. And so what I do for this one, to remember this URL, I click on this add-on, so test assured, and it asks for the some color configuration. So then what I do, I will set red color for this one. By default it is, and if you want to increase the pixels you can. Then I click on add this domain. So now you might notice we got this edges with the red line. So, and for this next environment, I will again click and add the blue color. So as I said, this is a test and this is acceptance, what we said. So now we mark with the two colors. One is a red for the acceptance, sorry, for the test, and this is for the acceptance. We just imagine those are environment. So now what I do in routine my testing task, when I go to my workplace and I try to open the environments, like this is the one environment I try to open, and suddenly it pop up with the blue color. So that means we can identify our environment with the colors also. So it's easy to remember. So blue color for the uh, acceptance and red color for the testing. So this is where we are here now. It's a blue, so we can do one thing. We can remove this URL, and here it is, and here it is loaded with the red color. So this is what benefit of this add-on test assured. It helps a tester to identify environment with the in a visual way with the graphical colors. So I hope you like this video. If you want to know such more productivity tips, so subscribe my videos, and if you have something question, so write in a comment. I will get back to you. And if you have some ideas that you can want to share with help of me, then you can also write me in a message, so I will make a video for it and put for you all, so you can share the knowledge and learn and grow with everyone. Okay, thank you, see you next video.